observers thought continents may have been joined based on which observations? Letter A, earthquakes. Letter B, magnetism. Letter C, volcanoes. Or letter D, coastline. The correct answer is letter D. Early observers thought that the continents might have been joined based on the observation that their coastlines fit together. They noticed how the continents resembled pieces of a jigsaw puzzle. For example, how South America coast correctly lined up with the coast of Northwest Africa. A German scientist, Alfred Wegener, was the first to hypothesize that letter A, the seafloor is spreading. Letter B, the continents were once joined. Letter C, the lithosphere is broken into plates. Or letter D, the Earth's magnetic field have reversed. The correct answer is letter B. Alfred Wegener proposed that the continents were once united into a single supercontinent named Pangaea. He suggested that the Pangaea broke up long ago and that the continents then moved to their current positions. He called his hypothesis continental drift. Evidence used by Wegener to support his idea of continental drift included letter A, magnetic patterns on the ocean floor, letter B, ocean floor topography, letter C, locations of volcanoes, or letter D, climatic data. The correct answer is letter D. Evidence used by Wegener to support his idea of continental drift included paleoclimatic evidence. Examples: climatic evidence shows glaciers once existed in normally very warm areas in southern Africa, India, Australia, and Arabia. Wegener also found similar evidence when he discovered tropical plant fossils in the frozen region of the Arctic Circle. These climatic anomalies can be explained if the positions of the continents have changed. He was the first to propose the continental drift theory. Letter A, Harry Hess, B, Arthur Holmes, C, Alfred Wegener, or letter D, Drummond Matthews. The correct answer is letter C, Alfred Wegener. Alfred Wegener was a German climatologist, and he was the first to propose the continental drift theory. How did geologists and the scientific community react to Wegener's claims at first? Letter A, they supported him and helped him search for evidence. B, they rejected his ideas and attacked his character. Letter C, they accepted his ideas with open minds. Or letter D, there was no reaction to his ideas. The correct answer is letter B. They rejected his ideas and even attacked his character. Most geologists dismissed his theory as a fairy tale. What three pieces of evidence led to the continental drift theory? Letter A, rock formation, fossils, and climatic data. Letter B, climatic data, fossils, and age of ocean floor. Letter C, paleomagnetic data, fossils, and volcanoes. Letter D, fossils, location of volcanoes, and earthquakes. The correct answer is letter A, rock formation, fossils, and climatic data. Similar rock types on opposite sides of the Atlantic Ocean. The same types of fossils are found on continents separated by vast oceans. And glacial deposits in normally warmer areas. The theory of continental drift, letter A states that continents stand still but can't explain why. Letter B only provides an explanation for why the continents are moving. Letter C states that continents are constantly moving and provides an explanation of how and why. Or letter D provides evidence that continents are moving but cannot explain what causes the movement. The correct answer is letter D. The theory of continental drift provides evidences that continents are moving, but cannot explain what causes the movement. And it was the weakness of this theory. Alfred couldn't provide a plausible explanation about the causes of the movement of the continents that other scientists dismissed his theory. Pangaea was an ancient supercontinent made up of letter A, South Africa, India, Australia, and South America. Letter B, America, Greenland, and Europe. Letter C, Antarctica, India, and America. Or letter D, all of the Earth's continents. The correct answer is letter D, all of the Earth's continents. The existence of coal beds in Antarctica indicates that the continent once had letter A, been part of Africa. Letter B, a cold dry climate. C, a temperate rainy climate. Or letter D, been farther from the equator. The correct answer is letter C. Coal beds in Antarctica are proof that at one time, the continent of Antarctica was much warmer and contained huge quantities of plant matter. Wegener suggested that coal beds discovered in this continent indicated that Antarctica was once near the equator where it could have temperate and rainy climate. The continental drift hypothesis was not accepted by the scientific community because letter A, fossil records helped to disprove the hypothesis. Letter B, glacial evidence were found along hot equatorial regions. Letter C, there were not enough geological evidence found across continents. Or letter D, Wegener could not provide a plausible mechanism explaining how continents drifted. The correct answer is letter D. At the time, the initial continental drift hypothesis was rejected because Wegener could not provide a plausible mechanism capable of moving the continents. But this scientific idea of Wagner, that was initially ridiculed, paved the way for the theory of plate tectonics, which explained how Earth's continents move. Unfortunately, Wagner never lived to see his theory accepted. He died at the age of 50 while on an expedition in Greenland.
Question number 1. What is the primary reason for the high frequency of earthquakes along the Pacific Ring of Fire? The correct answer is letter D, the convergence of several tectonic plates including the Pacific Plate and surrounding plates. Question number 2. Which tectonic plate boundary is commonly associated with the formation of major mountain belts such as the Himalayas? The correct answer is letter C, convergent boundary, where two continental plates collide. Question number 3. Why do earthquake epicenters often align in specific linear patterns around the world? The correct answer is letter D, due to the arrangement of tectonic plate boundaries and faults. Question number 4. How does the concept of plate tectonics relate to the location of earthquake epicenters around the world? The correct answer is letter C. They are concentrated along tectonic plate boundaries where stress is released. Question number 5. Which type of plate boundary is characterized by plates moving away from each other? The correct answer is letter A, divergent boundary. Question number 6. What is typically formed at divergent boundaries located in the ocean? The correct answer is letter B, mid-ocean ridges. Question number 7. At which type of boundary does one tectonic plate subduct beneath another? The correct answer is letter D, convergent boundary. Question number 8. What geological feature is commonly associated with convergent boundaries where an oceanic plate collides with a continental plate? The correct answer is letter D, volcanic karst and ocean trench. Question number 9. Which type of boundary is characterized by plates sliding past each other horizontally? The correct answer is letter B, transform boundary. Question number 10. What is the main difference between P waves and S waves? The correct answer is letter B, P waves are compressional, while S waves are shear. Question number 11. What typically happens at convergent boundaries where two continental plates collide? The correct answer is letter C, the plates crumple and form large mountain ranges. Question number 12. What is the process called when one tectonic plate moves under another? The correct answer is letter C, subduction. Question number 13. What is the process that occurs at mid-ocean ridges where new crust is formed? The correct answer is letter D, seafloor spreading. Question number 14. Which of the following is most likely to occur along a transform boundary? The correct answer is letter A, earthquakes. Question number 16. Slab pull, a force that helps move tectonic plates, occurs because the correct answer is letter D, dense oceanic plates sink into the mantle, pulling the rest of the plate with them. Question number 17. The heat from Earth's interior that drives mantle convection comes primarily from the correct answer is letter C, radioactive decay of elements. Question number 18. Which scientist is credited with proposing the theory of continental drift, which led to the idea of plate tectonics? The correct answer is letter D, Alfred Wegener. Question number 9. What is the significance of mid-ocean ridges in the theory of plate tectonics? The correct answer is letter B, they show where oceanic plates are diverging. Question number 20. What role do deep-sea trenches play in plate tectonics? The correct answer is letter D, they are formed when one tectonic plate subducts under another.